Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm doing the August Outlook 2017. It's the last day of July. It's July 30th, and today I'm doing the August Outlook. So let's get right into it. First off, I want to look at the map for the next 20 days. This is the average, how it's going to look like. So as you can see, the west is going to be a lot warmer than the east. So I drew out this basic outline of where the jet stream is going to be, and the blue is for the cold air. So for at least the first 15 days of August, it will be cooler than average along East Coast, Midwest, and Southeast. The Southeast will be about average, but the relative humidity will be way down, making it feel a lot more comfortable and, in fact, unseasonable throughout much of the area in this outlined area. The second half of August will most likely continue like this, a little bit probably warmer though. I would also want to show you something because for those that might be wondering, is this going to be all the time colder than average? No. So as you can see, this is day by day. This is the day and then this is the night. So this is 6 hours. This is July 30th. So we're going to go through and look at it. And you could see during the day 70s, 80s, but during the night it gets around to 50. And look, there's like a little cold front right there and soon spreads down. And look, this is during the day 60s across most of the area here, some 50s in upper Wisconsin. But it's still warm across the south and the east, but not nearly as what it was compared. So you could see it's a lot cooler here. 70s down all the way into central Georgia, 70s, 80s into central New York. So it's going to be a lot cooler. And in fact, this is showing some 50s developing, which I don't think there will be 50s, but as you can see, it's going to be not that warm, but it won't be cold all the time. And it's not like it's going to be cold, it's just going to be a tad bit above below average. And you could see this is the last forecast hour. So are there going to be warm days? Yes, just like this. This is a warm day, 70s, but it's a little bit below average. So now back to the presentation. Okay, so let's move on to the precipitation part of this outlook. So as you can see, the east is pretty much the east side of here, or like the probably anywhere from North Dakota through Iowa, Missouri, Tennessee, and Georgia. About that line is going to be plenty of rain, just about average, maybe a little bit above average. Florida is going to be a lot of rain. There's going to be a lot of rain, but Central Texas, Oklahoma, Kansas, Southern Missouri, Arkansas are gonna be receiving a little bit less rain, and then areas like Washington, not Portland, Oregon, California, Nevada, Utah, Colorado, Wyoming, Idaho, and Montana are going to be receiving below average. In fact, there's some areas that won't be receiving no rain, and this is for the next 20 days. So these areas that I outlined in these colors are going to be receiving less rain, most likely for at least the first half of the month, because this goes out to 20 days. So second half of the month may be different, but I doubt it. I don't think there will be much more rain. But it looks like anywhere that's not highlighted in these colors, there will be plenty of rain, and there won't be any issues. I don't think it's gonna be cause a drought, but there are some areas in here that have already a drought, and that might not help them. So that's pretty much it. So overall, in general, for the Northeast and Eastern Midwest, temperatures are going to remain cooler than average for the first half of August. But then, as the month continues, temperatures are going to warm up above average or average. The rest of the country will remain hot for the whole month. Precipitation wise, there will be average rainfall other than Texas, Oklahoma, Arkansas, southern Missouri, and Kansas, and the southwest and west, excluding Arizona and New Mexico. In these mentioned areas, there will be below average precipitation. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this outlook. Hopefully it gives you a little bit insight in what to expect during the first at least couple of weeks of August and the whole month of August. So stay tuned, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please consider subscribing and liking the video. As always, see you guys on the next episode.